Hey guys, so after pre-ordering the S9 Plus and sending it back, I got the chance to check it out as giffgaff sent it to me for review. And after a week with it, I can honestly say I'm glad I sent mine back. Let's get into the review and you'll see why. There's no denying that it's a good looking smartphone, and its 6.2-inch Super AMOLED display is sweet. The intelligent scan works very well too, and it's much better than face recognition on its own. I found it worked almost all the time, but it unlocks even when I'm not actually looking at the phone, which I don't think is good at all. Moving on to the camera, the biggest feature of the S9 Plus, it has an exclusive live focus feature built in which lets you adjust the background blur, and you can view your shot in wide angle too, which is cool. And of course it has Samsung's very own Pro mode, which I wish the iPhone had. It gives you a lot more control and you can adjust a bunch of settings such as the ISO, white balance and toggle between the all new dual apertures. Here are some shots I captured with the S9 Plus. There's no denying that the camera quality is amazing. Super slow-mo is incredible too, I mean just look at this. It's a shame it only records at a standard HD resolution though. Alright, let's take a quick look at AI emoji now. One word, creepy. I don't like it. It looks nothing like me. I mean my Bitmoji looks more like me than this does, so this is just not impressive at all. I'd much rather use Apple's Emoji, which is much more entertaining. So this gets a big thumbs down from me. So yeah, the camera is basically the only good thing about the S9 Plus. Otherwise it's essentially the same as the S8, so not worth upgrading to, unless of course you've got a much older device or you just fancy upping your mobile photography game. The stereo speakers is a bonus, but it's not significant enough to be a reason to upgrade. I hope you guys found this review useful. Be sure to drop a comment with your thoughts on the S9 Plus, subscribe to my channel for more tech content, and thanks for watching.